So, this is the first ever animation video on my channel. And I was thinking of stories I could use for this animation. After 20 seconds of thinking, I remember a story that scared me for life. And, about 4 months ago, right, I was visiting Charleston, South Carolina. I visited for about 4 days. The last night I was there for, I packed up everything I needed to get on the road the next morning. I went to bed that night watching a movie, but woke up at 3 in the morning. I walked out of my room to see a water bottle laying on the dining room table. I was extremely tired and thirsty. The bottle looked like it had not been opened yet, so I opened the bottle. I drank a little. Right away, something did not taste right about this water. It sort of tasted metallic, and I didn't know if it was just me, but either way, I ran to the sink and spit it out right away. I went back over the bottle and checked to make sure it's water. To my surprise, it was not water. It was a I thought I was gonna die. I slowly walked over to my mom's room. I woke her up and said, "We have a problem. I think I just drank lamp oil." After I showed my mom the lamp oil I accidentally drank, she called poison control. I thought that the lamp oil bottle looks like one of those Evian bottles, the water bottles that you buy at Target or whatever. And look at them together. I mean, they kind of look alike. I don't know. And then on the phone with poison control, my mom was talking to the person that was handling the situation, and she said, "He should be fine if he didn't swallow that much." And then me in the background, being as stupid as I was, I should have just kept quiet. I said, "I didn't swallow that much." And the woman that was speaking to my mother heard that and said, "He can talk?" My mom responded with, "Yes, he's 11. She said, "Oh, he's 11. Okay, he should be fine. Gotta go, bye."
Oh my God! Okay, the neighbors think I'm selling dope. Selling dope.